again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I'm so far behind with my Birthstone series, so we need to get on and do February's Birthstone, which is Amethyst. These are 2XL square full cover. I've buffed all the outside. I haven't etched the inside because these need to come straight back off. They're far too long. So yeah, the outside is all buffed. I just haven't buffed the inside. So I've stuck them all on my tip display stand upside down. Guys, I pulled out all sorts for this set. So these are all little pieces of shell. Little tiny shards of shell. Purple ones, pink ones. Then I pulled out these bigger pieces of shell. Pinky, purple ones. I pulled out my little flakies. I kind of wanted these amethysty kind of looking nails. And then I pulled out Mylars. I ended up putting all sorts in these nails, guys. Yeah, I started the Birthstone series last month, didn't I, with the ruby red nails. And this month is Amethyst. This is my birth month. Very late. I'm very late doing these, but I've just been so busy. And I used them as well, little flakies. So you need to start out by buffing off the shine on your natural nails. I'm going to be doing kind of gel X method today. Yeah, you need to prep your nails properly, guys. I'm planning on taking these off. If you want to know how to prep your nails properly, I have got some videos that are more detailed. So I've put a base coat inside that tip. This is going to be my pinky, and I am just filling. You don't want anything near the cuticle area because this is gel X method. You need that tip to fit flush on your nail. You don't want anything at the cuticle area. So yeah, I'm just going to fill this tip with bits of shell. I've put some of the big bits in, and now I'm just adding some of the tinier bits. If you do want to do nails like this and you want to add bits up to your cuticle area, then I would use polygel and do a laser girl method. Use a bigger size tip, one size up. It's so confusing, isn't it, guys, all this gel X stuff and laser girl stuff, because they're all so similar. But yeah, I think what I'm doing today is like more like gel X method kind of thing. But I'm doing a hack where I'm filling the tip with bits and bats. So yeah, I want to keep this purpley and amethysty kind of looking. So all my little gaps now I'm just filling with this beautiful, beautiful Mylar. I'm going to do exactly the same on the pointer finger and the thumb, guys. I'll do them off camera. They're exactly the same as what I've just done. So that's the tip of that nail all filled. Just over halfway, isn't it? So sticking with the pinky, I'm using this rubber base gel from Born Pretty. I did say I'll have a go showing you how to use it. So I'm putting a little thin layer of this rubber base gel on my pinky. And then I'm putting a blob of it inside the actual tip, and then I'm going to press it on, push any air bubbles out, and I'm going to stick that under my lamp just for literally 5 seconds or something. You do have to hold it down, as you can see there, and whilst it's still wet underneath, I don't like that line where you can see the edge of the gel. So yeah, I've just spreaded that out. Yeah, I don't like that line underneath. So that's my pinky on. I'll quickly show you doing this pointer finger. It's exactly the same. I'm just covering my pointer nail and then a little blob in the tip. And again, press it on. I'm going to stick that in the lamp. Hold it down as hard as you can, guys, so you don't get no air bubbles. And I've spread that out underneath as well. So quickly, one more. This is my thumb. Same thing. Holding it down as hard as I can. And then, yeah, in the lamp. So that's my pinky, pointer and thumb done. This is going to be my middle nail. And I'm just doing a bit of a swoosh. So I've done a base coat again. And I'm doing just the small bits of shell. Yeah, and I'm just doing like a little bit of a swirly line pattern with the small bits of shell and a little bit of Mylar as well. So I'm going to stick that in the lamp like that. Right guys, this is going to be my ring finger. I wanted this just to be a plain pink nail. So I've just done a plain pink nail. So back to this one. This is the middle finger. I don't know why I applied them back to front. Yeah, so guys, they've all been cured in the lamp now. I'm so sorry, this video's a mess. I'm wiping the tacky layer off and I'm just going to use my e-file because I've got little bits. Can you see there, little bits of glue that's leaked out? I'm just going to file all them away. Can you see I'm just filing all them little bits of glue away? You could do this with a hand file, just be very careful. Use an old file so you don't cut your cuticles. Yeah, so I'm just getting rid of all the bits of glue and I'm just going to blend the tip in around the cuticle area. Just blend it in a little bit more and seal it in at my cuticle area. Guys, I'm so sorry, I've skipped forward a little bit. What I'm doing, my nail beds looked a little bit patchy. So I'm using that rubber base coat again. And I'm just painting over my nail bed. Just a nice thinnish coat. And I'm going to use an ombre brush. And I'm just going to blend that down. Yeah, I wasn't happy with how it was looking. So yeah, I've just done a little thin coat. I've done 2 coats actually. I didn't show the first coat, I wasn't recording. This is the second coat. Yeah, and I've just faded it out. I think it looks so much better. Yeah, because them nail beds were looking a little bit patchy. You could see my peel off base coat underneath. So yeah, that's so much better, isn't it? I'm going to do that on the pointer and the thumb as well. Loads better that, isn't it? So this ring finger, again, I'm giving that another coat. This rubber base coat's a beautiful colour, I love it. Giving this another coat just to get rid of that patchiness and yeah, you can see my rubber base coat underneath, so patchy. And then I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. So this is where we're at. They're looking so much better. Guys, look at this. This is called Snow Purple from Born Pretty. It is stunning. I initially just wanted to paint that transparent nail, but I liked it, so I painted all the nails with this. It's very transparent, but it's got kind of a purpley, holographic-y kind of shimmer. It's absolutely stunning. So yeah, I ended up painting every single nail with this stuff. It's beautiful. Look at that, isn't it pretty? Oh, I really like it. Right, so I'm painting with a nice painting. What am I painting? Using a top coat because I've got all them bits of shell pieces underneath the nail. I'm just sealing all them in just so they don't get caught on your hair, or just smooth them out because they're a bit lumpy bumpy underneath, aren't they? And then I'm going to give all these one last top coat and then we're going to bling them out. So guys, I'm just putting my rhinestone glue on off camera. Just put your rhinestone glue exactly where you're going to want your gems. I'm just using a mixture of just normal AB gems, and I've got some little resin, this little purple thing. It's just a little plastic thing really. And on the ring finger I'm going to put one of my nail charms. Can you see this big thing? And a little bit more at the top of that nail. Yeah, that's them finished, guys. What do you think? I'm so sorry this video was a mess. But it's done. That is my February amethyst nails. I actually really like them. I think they turned out really smart. But they do need to come off because they are rather long. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Don't forget you can get 20% off Born Pretty website using my code Aggie20. It's always in my description box with a link to the website. Don't forget to give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.